Of all the driving test maneuvers, having to reverse around a corner is probably the one that's most likely to freak you out, but there's no need to fear about getting things wrong. Once you've identified the junction you want to reverse into, drive slowly past, checking that it's safe and clear to make your maneuver. Pull your car up a foot or so away from the left curb and not too far from the corner. Handbrake on, clutch down, into reverse. To complete this move, you need a good view of the curb. If you can see it out of the rear windows, great. Alternatively, turn your left wing mirror down and center the curb in it. Check all around that it's safe to move off, and then bring your car backwards in a straight line with no gas, moving very slowly. When the curb starts to fall away from your car, it's time to start turning. Observe all around to check it's safe to turn the wheel to the left. You must check to your right to make sure the road is clear because the nose of your car is going to swing out. How much you steer to the left depends on the angle of the corner. Aim to keep the curb at the same distance from the car. If the curb gets further away, correct to the left. If it gets closer, correct to the right. Do small adjustments so you don't snake. When you can see the curb in the rear window, straighten up and slowly go back about 3 car lengths. Gently stop, handbrake on, into neutral. Done.